So today we're at Cumberland State Forest and we're going on that foresty trail.
How long is the trail?
It's 1.3 kilometers and it's a loop. It's how slow the steps. So Daddy and Shala are on the alert for bush turkeys.
Yeah.
Let's keep moving. So if you take
The state forests in New South Wales are made up of native and plantation forests.
We're moving into a forest. There's a bridge up ahead. Be careful. Okay. Alright.
小心哦，前面有那个 steps。
It's very slippery.
Yeah， 有点湿湿的。
Wet.
Oh my god.
There's more steps up ahead. And a bit of an uphill.
你到 bridge 那边再停一下。哦耶耶耶！等一下，我们4个。
可以先在这里，因为这个有一点上去。There's a bit of an uphill. We're gonna try to cross the bridge. There's a swamp.
好。
We're just going to keep walking. There's a hut up there. Daddy and Charlotte are already way ahead. I understand why this is called moderate. Yeah. So there's another sign here protecting forests. Okay. Let's keep moving.
我拍照了。我怕这个看到，等一下看到就跑，我就飞来就。
Yeah.
It's a valley.
Not a lot of people walking this trail, so it's just
对啊
animals.
今天很 quiet。
Yeah, very quiet today.
哎，你站在这边，然后我在那里帮我照。你换你。
This.
我跟肖的站在这边，你帮我照相。
Okay. Come back like that.
哦。
iPhone 16 really high tech. Fully stop.
Oh, okay, that's good. Very good.
Huh? I think that means we're about 300 meters in. We're 300 meters in, so we're barely halfway. I think that's what the sign means.
Oh, okay.
If this was the other one, then we'll be done.
Yeah, if this is the other one, we'll be done by now.
Oh, it's done, done, done.
isn't that hard. And Charlotte's using a really jaggy walking stick that's gonna break. Okay?
It's working.
You have to keep moving, Charlotte. Don't stop, don't stop.
Oh,
This trail is actually quite nice,
我
honestly.
觉得还蛮容易的
Yeah.
而且今天又凉凉的，12度，
不会很难，
还可以
然后。
对，
Look, the scenery is pretty good as well. I like the
嗯
scenery. There's like creeks and then water, so it's a bit of a...
don't do it like that. You have to put it on the foot. It's small. How about this one? Is this one good for you? Yes. Go.
It's a bit of an uphill now.
OK，
So we're going up. Hi. We should
Hello.
do another time check. I think it's gotten a bit colder.
你拿着我来看，
So it's
现在
about...
是11点，
Yep.
然后天气是就还是12度啊
Yeah, it's the same, but it feels a bit colder because we're deeper in the forest.
哦 maybe，
Yeah, because air doesn't really travel through here. Charlotte, keep walking. Charlotte has 2 walking sticks. Yes, is she? Alright, keep moving, let's keep moving.
Next is to a tree. How about that one?
Oh well, let's keep moving. That is a... I haven't seen a
哦那个鸟叫很大声呢，你们听到？
I haven't seen a trail marker for very long. So we'll just have to keep walking. This one's terrible. That's not good. Alright, I think this one's good. Yeah, this one. Alright, we upgraded our walking sticks. And we're ready to keep moving. Charlotte has a big walking stick. I don't know where we are. It's almost the end, I think, because we're heading back to the main road.
好像走到另外一边嘛。
So this is our second trail. This is the Sentry Trail. It's only 350 meters, approximately 30 minutes, and it's going to be an easy grade. So not too
Let's
hard.
go。
It's going to be easier than the last one though. So I don't think we're going to need this.
That's why the tree.
The second you walk in, you can actually feel it because the ground's actually rock, it's not mud. So I don't think we're going to need these. We're not going to need these, Charlotte.
Then give it to me.
If you feel on the ground, it's all rock.
Yeah.
It's all rock.
I'm testing out
So this is Charlotte's walking sticks.
Second trail。
Yep. Yeah. Huh? Me? I did. Yeah. Alright. We just find random sticks and we think they're good for walking, so we use them.
Alright, let's keep going.
To be fair, we've barely done anything. The start of the trail is literally back there.
Let's go.
My walking sticks really helpful.
Yeah.
No wonder it helps.
Yeah. But it's not the true stick. Daddy's not going to be in a lot of videos because he has a habit of running away.
He's on a mission.
Yeah. The finish of the trail is only over there. So you do a big loop around.
Yeah. Easy. Easy peasy. Now halfway exercise.
Alright. This stretch.
那你教大家有一些什么一些 stretch 的
Go like this.
And all Charlotte does is become really. Charlotte's being show off.
好，然后第二个 movement 是什么 ？What other movement can you do?
We just finished the easy trail. We walked from there, over there, came here. So this is the nursery. At the front there's like fire pits and everything. There's chimneys, there's like verandas, and there's grills, and there's all these round, I don't know what they're called. So moving here we got the roses.
小心那楼梯有。
But yeah, it's not too bad with some of them. But yeah, the rose, favorite rose times in my garden. I've got about 20 roses in every year, and it's my husband.
They're all sorted by plants.
Stop your
好，现在来看这边有，我们来看这边有什么花。这怎么念啊？
这是 perennial color. 因为有很多不一样的颜色，所以它们可是都是 fall under the same category of plants， 所以都叫 perennial color.
那我们看另外一个，这个是什么？这个好像这是什么？
I think that might be lavender.
很像哎。
It is. It is.
哦，对对对。
It's a type of lavender.
然后还有我们还有那个蜜蜂。
Yeah. There's bees.
Yes.
If you can see, it's a bit hard to see through the camera.
Yes.
Oh, over here. Here. It's resting on the lavender.
Well,
你看那是什么？它好像一些那种就是 garden 的那些 fountain。哇，那个要2000块哎，好贵哦。如果有人 garden 就会弄那个。对，然后还有这种的不一样的那个，这也蛮漂亮的。对，一个要1000块。那后面还有那种不同的形状。这叫什么 bird bath 哦？哦，这是给鸟喝水的吗？
Yeah. This is not the best of the fountains. Very small.
一下，好。